Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make gnocchi di patate. Cover the potatoes in aluminum foil and bake it at 350 for about 1 hour. When the potatoes are cool enough to handle them, peel them off. Pass them through a potato ricer or a grater. Add half of the flour to the mixing surface. Add the potatoes, 1 egg and a little bit of salt. Start mixing the dough, adding flour as needed. You can use a scraper to help you incorporate the pieces of dough. When everything is incorporated, form the dough into a log. Cut the dough into 1-inch pieces. Roll each piece into a 1/2-inch ropes. Cut them in 1/2-inch pieces to form the gnocchi. Place them in a flour tray, line it with parchment paper. Cook them in boiling salted water. When they float, they are ready. Serve them with your favorite sauce. Add some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.